Now you can see my little minion in her natural habitat. Oh my goodness, here she comes. Whoa! Good job. Baby signing time. Baby, can you say signing time? Good job. Can you push play? You just want to walk? Come on over. You are quick like a gazelle. Oh my goodness, look at you go. Good job. Come on over, little crazy kid. Come on over. Yeah? Come on over. Come here. Whoa! Yeah! Boop. Look at those skills. You want to try for a little longer distance this time? How about it? Come on over. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, bonk. Guess what? It's baby signing time.
It's baby signing time. Let's go. Hi, I'm Rachel. Come sign with us. Come on.
Yay. Baby. Baby. You ready for another one? All right. Come on over, kidlet. Come here. Wow, look at you go. Oh, good work. Keep on going.
Signing time.
Baby signing time.
A new day.
Can you sign day? Day?